All our children went to Jewish afternoon classes. Some became deeply involved in Jewish matters, others did not. I never felt that. I just wanted them to know about our past, our family history. I wanted them to feel it, but then I didn't want to impose views on them. They had to work out their own outlook on life.
How do you think the identity of younger generations of Jews differs from yours?
Well, they are much more we are obsessed with the Holocaust and with tragedy of our own families. They look at it, to them, to us, Holocaust is still alive today. To them, this belongs to modern history.